Have you ever wondered if the productivity app you're using is actually making money? Today, we're diving into the world of Asana, a popular project management tool, and exploring whether it's a financial success. Asana's popularity. Asana has gained significant traction in recent years, becoming a go-to tool for individuals and teams alike. But is this popularity translating into profits? The business model. Let's break down Asana's business model. They offer a free basic plan, but for advanced features and unlimited users, they require a subscription. This freemium model is common in the tech industry, but does it generate enough revenue? Key revenue streams. Subscriptions. The primary revenue source for Asana is subscription fees from paid plans. Enterprise deals. Asana also targets larger organizations with enterprise-level plans, which can potentially generate significant revenue. Partnerships and integrations. Asana has formed partnerships with other popular tools, expanding its reach and potentially driving revenue. Analyzing Asana's financial performance. Public versus private. Asana is a publicly traded company, which means we have access to its financial statements. We'll be analyzing key metrics like revenue growth, profitability, and user base. Revenue growth. Has Asana experienced consistent revenue growth over the years? Are they able to attract new customers and upsell existing ones? Profitability. Is Asana profitable? Are they able to generate positive net income? If not, what factors are contributing to their losses? User base. How is Asana's user base growing? Are they able to attract a large number of users, especially in the enterprise market? Competitor analysis. How does Asana compare to its competitors, such as Trello, Monday.com, and Jira? Are they gaining market share or losing ground? Case studies and expert opinions. Success stories. Let's hear from companies that have successfully implemented Asana and benefited from its features. What have they gained in terms of productivity and efficiency? Expert insights. We'll interview industry experts and analysts who have a deep understanding of Asana's business and financial performance. What are their insights into the company's future? Future outlook. Growth potential. Does Asana have the potential for continued growth? Are there new markets or features they can explore to drive revenue? Challenges and risks. What are the key challenges and risks facing Asana? How can they mitigate these risks and ensure long-term success? Investor sentiment. What is the sentiment among investors towards Asana? Are they optimistic or concerned about the company's future? Let's recap the key points discussed in the video. Is Asana making money? What are the factors driving their financial performance? Based on the evidence presented, what is your overall assessment of Asana's financial health? Is it a company that investors should be watching? If you're interested in learning more about Asana or other productivity tools, be sure to subscribe to our channel for future updates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.